Namaskara. Good morning to everyone. So today I will be giving the details of how to register for the Sainik school. So it has started. Please everyone do the registration as soon as possible. For the all the candidates who appeared for the exam, they have to register for the counseling. That is the option entry for the schools. So if you search as ISAC login, I will share the link in the group description also. So or you can search as a ISAC login. You will get the first link, that is National Center for Geoinformatics is there, right? All India Sainik School Admission Counseling 2026. You have to click on that link. So this is the page. All the details of the registration and all the updates will be given on this link. So you can see here the window is closed during counseling number registration and everything. So latest news and events, whatever the updates will be given in this box. Okay, so whatever the is there, so you have to do as soon as possible. So we will go to candidate activity, that is registration, new registration. Okay, so if you click on new registration, you have to enter the application number of the candidate and select verify. You will be taken to the next step. So once you verify the details are correct, that is email ID and mobile number, you verify the OTP. So OTP is verified and then set the password. So for the counseling, you have to set the password. So you can set any password of your choice. So once you set the password, you can submit it and it will. What you do, you can easily log in here. So it is available here. So I will select the same, easy. So I will log in now. So once you sign in, there is a declaration. So hereby declare that Sainik school process. You have to follow all the details and check all the details. So this is for the application for the seat allocation. You are entering the option entry for the school selection in this. So they don't guarantee that you will get a seat. So depending upon your score and all the details, the school allocation will be happening. So you have to agree on that and then you have to check all the details. Is it all correct? So that is name, that is Grishma, and here date of birth, whatever the details are there, you have to check all the details here and then submit and review. Once you have reviewed the details, you can submit them. So it will ask once again for the clarification. So you can once again verify and then confirm the registration. So yes, so it is confirmed. So correction window, if any correction is there, you can do the correction here in the correction window, that is personal details and domicile. You can change the three details here. So here you have to check, that is if you have selecting any changes, you have to select the declaration box and submit it here. If there is no correction, you do not have to do anything here. Once you just review and submit, that's it. So this is the registration for the counseling process, that is option entry, that is the school selection process. So all the students, please as soon as possible register, that is a login using the OTP and enter the password and set the password, then verify the details and complete the process. So this is very easy. So hope everyone does as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.